Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. Hopefully, today you are fine. And in the pandemic situation, we supposed to be to keep the protocol, wearing your mask, washing your hand, keep the distance, and stay away from the crowd. We must keep our healthy and our healthy of our family. Today, I want to tell and share with you about the technology. Why? Because in our social condition, in our environment, we can see the development of the technology is very fast. Every people has different opinion about the technology. So in my mind, the technology is the change of the services, change of the products, change of the digital services, or like an application, which is the result will make the human the easier to do anything, will make more effective, more efficient, with the purpose to get like the comforts, to get a satisfaction, security, or safe condition, and the particular goals. By the way, high technology is identical with the communication and information. It's normal because the technology of the information and communication we can find every day, every time in our social condition. The one sample of the development with the high technology about about information and communication we can find in our mobile phone. Every month, every year, the technology of the mobile phone is increase, and we can see the other development of the technology from other side. For the example, in medical perspective, the people can do the eyes and heart transplant. In the industrial, we can see the PLC, program logic controller. PLC is the one product it can control the a lot of activities. And then in the machine we can find a hybrid car. So a lot of the technology we can find in our environment. By the way, everything in the world have the positive and negative effect or impact. If we talk about the positive impact of the technology, the its mean is the advantages, and we if we talk about the negative effect, the its mean is disadvantages. And what are the advantages of the high technology? One, we can save more time, more cost, more efforts and resources, and then the activities more effective, no waste time. And then if we want to communicate with the other people in the long distance, it's more easily. So like long distance become close or near distance. And then the high technology helping the human health. As I mentioned previously, the people can do eyes and heart transplant. With the high technology, we can find an entertainment like the music, video, and anything. With the high technology, we can get a lot of information to improve our ability, our competency. Like we can see how to cook anything in YouTube, how to mix things or product from the YouTube. And then more easier and safer in financial transaction. If we can see the invention of the robots, the robot will make our activities more easier and more better. So this is the advantages of uh, the high technology. However, we have the negative effect. So what do you think about the negative effect? Because mostly the people thinks the high technology always give the advantages, but we must think more and more. There are a lot of disadvantages or negative effect. For the example, once previously if we do a meeting, we meet face to face, and this is will give the different atmosphere. Now we do the meeting by the video conference call, so I think the communication became the empty. And then some of the business contract, the signature need to present at the location, and by high technology we cannot do that, because we'll give the different like the effect in the business. Number three, for the exercise, if we do the exercise like the bodybuilding, it's not easy if we teach the someone by the video calls, because it's better if we teach someone about the bodybuilding directly, how the position of our hand, how arrange our feet, and anything. And then high technology will give the opportunity abuse the for financial theft. High technology will give the emergence of individualism and make us become lazy. High technology gives the bad information. What do you think about the bad information? High technology provide a porn video. High technology provide how to make a bomb easily. And if this movie can see by our children easily, it's dangerous. It's dangerous. I think it's not good. If we see in the social condition, many hoax or fake information in our social or publics in here, and this is not good to our psychologist condition. The last things, the invention of the robot will make the people lost livelihoods. So if the people lost livelihood, so what do you think about the condition of their family? So we must manage control about high technology product or services, so this is can efficiently we can use for that. So how to control the development of the technology? I will give an example in my close area. I have a children, I have a kids. I will control and manage what did he see if my children using mobile phone. And then we minimize using the high technology like the mobile phone if we are hang out with our family, or with my friends, or with my colleagues, or with my partners. Number three, use or purchase the high technology products according to the personal functions and abilities. And the last, this is often do by every people. At this moment, the e-commerce is look like the public's digital services in our social condition. So we must maintains and manage a commerce in goods condition. How to do that? The first one, manage your deposit or electronic money, give the limited. So if you want to buy something, you will remember, I only have something rupiahs in my deposit or my electronic money. So what can I buy with limited money in there? And then compare price from the one e-commerce application with the other. And the next step, check the star rating of the buyer. And the last, review the testimonial from the buyer about the product that you want to buy. Okay, thank you from my side and my opinion. So the point of our discussion today is what is the terminology of the high technology, and then what are the disadvantages and advantages of the high technology, and the last, how we can control high technology in our social condition or our environment. Okay, thank you. If there are a mistake, if I explain the anything, I'm sorry, because I know I have limited resources to explain about the high technology. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.